Alright, so I finally got a Joby Gorillapod, something I've been wanting for a long time. I want to be able to do more vlogging, more cool stuff, and this Gorillapod is finally here. So let's take this thing out of the box. The Joby Gorillapod. Ooh, look at that thing. Let's take this thing out. So I got the Gorillapod. Now I want to mount the camera to it. So I got the A6400, which we'll put it on. Be easier to take this off. All right, I'm gonna flip this thing upside down. Okay, so then I'll mount this. It should say, and it doesn't, what direction is forward and what direction is back. I'm guessing this is back. Just take a quick walk outside. There's Ian. Boom. Wow, it's bright out here. So yeah, the Joby, man. What a great tool. What a great little tripod. Let's test something here. I'll bust out my camera. I want to hook this to a tree, okay? That's what I was thinking. I think we could hook this to a tree. All right, so check this out. I officially got it wrapped around a tree. In fact, I can even push this in a little bit more. There we go. Look at that. How cool is that? Around a tree. This camera is currently hooked to a tree, and this is really neat. You can do it to poles. There's all kinds of other stuff that you can hook the camera to, which is really neat. It just wraps around stuff. So this is a really good tool. Not only one for holding it as more of a vlogger, but then using it to hook to poles and whatever else. So I'll be using this for skateboarding and all kinds of other fun stuff. I just wanted to show you guys this. Let's take this off now. There we go. Simple as that. Got my Joby. If I really wanted to do something even cooler, I just realized, check this out. I'm gonna pull this up. I'm gonna hook this onto the front door. Look at that. Holding on to the front door. Like nothing. See that? How cool is that? You guys gotta get you a Joby. These things are freaking awesome. Let's go. All right, well that's what I wanted to show you guys. It's really loud out here, but I wanted to show you guys the Joby because it was only like 40 bucks. You can find it on Amazon. It's a great investment. If you're a videographer, I'd highly recommend that you get one, and that's what I got. Now you guys see my struggles with making videos. I make all my videos with all this going by all day long. It's a nightmare. Anyways, I love you guys. Hope you have a great day. Let's get out of here, Scoob. Keep looking up.